Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are having an awesome day today. In today's video, I'll be talking about the amazing French braids hairstyle for every African woman. Now before we dive in, please kindly subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Braids have always been a powerful expression of cultural heritage and individual style. Among the many braid styles that have gained popularity in recent years, the French braid stands out for its timeless elegance and versatility. For African women, French braids offer a unique way to celebrate natural beauty while providing a protective and stylish options for various occasions. Let's explore the beauty and diversity of French braid hairstyle for African women, highlighting how this classic style can be adapted to suit different tastes and needs. The classic French braid is a simple yet sophisticated style that starts at the crown of the head and incorporates hair from the sides as it progresses downwards. This results in a neat woven look that can be worn for both casual and formal settings. For African women, the classic French braid can be enhanced with added volume and texture, making it a perfect choice for showcasing the natural thickness and beauty of their hair. To create a classic French braid, start by brushing your hair to remove any tangles. Take a section of hair from the top of your head and divide it into 3 equal parts. Begin braiding by crossing the right section over the middle, then the left section over the new middle section. As you continue braiding, add small sections of hair from the sides into the braid until you reach the nape of your neck. Finish by securing the braid with an elastic band. Double French braids, also known as twin braids, offer a sporty and youthful look that is both functional and fashionable. This style involves creating 2 French braids starting from the front of the head and running down each side. Double French braids are perfect for active women, providing a secure and stylish option for workouts, sports, or casual outings. To achieve double French braids, part your hair down the middle to create 2 equal sections. Start with one section and create a French braid, beginning at the front and working your way down to the nape of your tongue. Repeat the process on the other side. Secure each braid with an elastic band and you can add accessories like beads or hair cuffs for a personalized touch. For a more sophisticated and elegant look, the French braid updo is an excellent choice. This style involves creating one or more French braids and then pinning them up into a stylish updo. The French braid updo is perfect for formal events, weddings, or any occasion where you want to make a statement with your hairstyle. To create a French braid updo, start by braiding your hair in 1 or 2 French braids. Once the braids are complete, gather them at the back of your head and twist them into a bun or chignon. Secure the updo with bobby pins and finish with a light hairspray to keep everything in place. You can also leave a few strands of hair loose for a softer romantic look. Right now, let me allow you to watch the video to select your best choice of hair. Thank you for watching and please subscribe, like and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye!